Hey everybody, Dr. Randi here. I just want to take 5 minutes of your time because we have a number of people that were submitting questions. They were a little unsure about what Community Wellness Day actually was, so I wanted to take a second to clarify everything for you. So when you host a community health program, and specifically our proven system, Community Wellness Day, what you're going to be doing is creating an event for your community, an incredible day where hundreds, even thousands of people are going to come to your event to learn more about what you do and actually how they can become healthier. And we know that the whole consumer market is really shifting with everything that's going on. People are more tapped in, they want more information, they want to go to the best and most well-known. If they're paying for it, they want to know that they're getting the best. So here's what we're going to teach you. Our 4 core concepts revolve around health, safety, environmental, and financial wellness. So every week we're going to give you another very simple training to follow, and we're going to be telling you who you want to be inviting from your community that has information on those core concepts. We're going to tell you how to approach them, exactly what to say to them, exactly how you invite them. I mean, literally, this is really just an add water and stir program. We're also going to be getting you tons of free publicity. We're going to show you exactly how to do that. And remember, everybody in your town, every business, every health provider, everyone's vying for that and jockeying for that same publicity. And we're going to show you how to get it above a lot of other practitioners in your community. And we're going to hold your hand. We're going to walk you through the process. We're also going to be showing you along the way with the different steps. And here's just some examples. We're going to show you how to choose a location large enough to host your event in. We're going to show you how to choose a date. We have very specific strategy for that. We're also going to show you how to align with a particular charity. Remember, we talked about that. That's not a random thing. There's very specific things you need to know to make sure that's successful. We're going to show you how to connect with your politicians, which for some people is the giant golden ring in taking their practice to the next level, sometimes even doubling their practice in any kind of healthcare environment. Then we're going to show you all the other participants that you're going to reach out for. I mean, you're going to know people in your community that would take you 10 years to meet. And then we're going to also have fun secondary stuff to keep people around, to make it a fun day. And there's lots of things from bounces and face painting and live entertainment and refreshments. And I mean, there's so many things I couldn't name them all here today. And then probably the most important thing that we do is we coach you on post-event training. Now, the reason why this is so important is because too many of you kind of do something, you're happy with what you get. You get 20, 30, 40 new patients, which I want you to have. I'm not saying I don't, but I also don't want you to leave $100,000, $200,000 on the table and dozens of other opportunities. You know, when your event is over, that's when everyone has that warm and fuzzy feeling about you. So we want to take action then, and we're going to show you how to do that. We've actually had doctors that have generated in excess of close to an additional $250,000 in revenue by following the post-event process. So, you know, ultimately, this process is going to get you embedded in your community, get you to be the best and most well-known. I promise you, any question you have, we're going to unveil the answer to during the training process. So if you don't have any other questions, there's still time to get involved. Click the links below, choose your payment method, and let's keep our fingers crossed that your town is still available. As long as you fill out the form, click the submit button, it goes through, you'll get a welcome message. For those not, you'll get a message says, you know, we're sorry your town's not available. But let's move forward. Let's get started. Remember, with everything going on in healthcare, here's a really important thing to remember. You could kind of sit around and wait to see what happens as to which direction you're going to go, or, you know, what changes you're going to make, or how you're going to proceed in your business. But really, it's the people that are, you know, almost like getting angry and I'm not going to take this anymore. And you really have 2 choices right now. You could kind of sit around and wait for it to kind of unveil itself to you, or you can be that person that takes control, takes action, so no matter what happens, you're on the road to success. When you're in control of your future, There's nothing but success led in your path. So I'm telling you, click those links below. Let's get you started. We're really excited. We've had so many people on board. I think this is the happiest I've been in probably, a dozen years in doing this, because so many people really understand that this is a timeless process. This is a process that worked 25 years ago, and yes, it's gone through many evolutions, but the basic foundation is the same. When everyone knows you, when you're the one they want to work with because you're the best and most well-known, because you've given to your community in a way that nothing else can help you achieve this, you're the one they want, you're the one they call, you're the business that flourishes and grows for years and years and years to come. Well, go ahead and click those links, and I'll be in touch soon.